Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. So today we will talk about how to speak English like Americans. So how you can speak English like American in an American accent. So if you really want to speak English like the Americans, so start watching English movies. Not British movies, but start watching Hollywood movies, because you will see the Hollywood actors will speak English like an Americans, because they all are Americans and they will speak in a American accent. If you really want to adapt that accent, if you really want to speak in American accent, so you should start watching Hollywood movies, because you can speak in English like in 30 days, in 100 days easily. Yes, by helping of reading practices and learning vocabulary. But if you really want to adapt an accent, even it is a British accent or Australian or American, they all are different. But today we are talking about American accent. If you really want to speak English like Americans and you want to adapt American accent, so you have to try to listen English songs, the Hollywood movie songs, Hollywood movies, because when you will watch the Hollywood movies, you will listen the English of Americans, how they speak in English. So if you will watch them while speaking in English, so you can improve your American accent. You can also adapt American accent and you will able to speak English like the Americans. But the matter is, if you really want to speak English like Americans, so you have to adapt accent. Yes, you have to adapt an American accent, only then you can speak English like the Americans. But one more thing, you can do the practice of listening. Yes, listening, like there are the so many US news channels, Fox News, CNN, start watching. Because when you will start watching these news channel, not BBC, because BBC is not an American news channel, it is an British news channel. If you really want to learn British accent, so you should start watching BBC. But if you want to learn American accent, so start watching Fox News or CNN. Yes, these news channels are basically from US, and if you really want to speak English like American accent, so you start watching these news channels. One thing I would like to tell you, when you will learn accent, so when you, as much as you will listen in that accent, as much as you will learn, so that is very much required. If you really want to improve your American accent, so start listening American news channels, American movies. So this is the best way to learn an accent. Yes. And when you will do this practice for 30 days, for 100 days, you will able to speak. Yes. The people, those who used to go in US for the jobs, even they are from the South American countries or they are from the Europe or Asian countries. So first of all, they have to adapt American accent, because when you will speak with the Americans, when you will work in the companies of US companies, you will have to adapt that accent if you really want to speak with the people, because it will be easy for you to communicate in English. So I hope this video is very important for you and you will be able to speak in English in American accent. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.